In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to work out a fraction of an amount. In the first example, we have 1/4 of 480. The word of means to multiply, so we can rewrite our problem as 1/4 times 480 over 1. I can multiply the numerators together as well as the denominator. 1 times 480 is 480. And 4 times 1 is 4. So now, I can either use a calculator to work out the solution, or I can cancel down. 4 goes into 4 one time. It goes into 480. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And 0 divided by 4 is 0. So it goes into 480 120 times. So my final answer is 120. In the second example, I'm looking for 2/3 of 240. So I'll rewrite my problem as 2 over 3 multiplied by 240 over 1. I've got two options here. I can either multiply the numerators together and the denominators and then do my division, or I can look for numbers in the denominator that goes into one of the numerators. In this case, 3 goes into 240, so I can cancel out. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 goes in 240 80 times. So now I've got 1 and 1 on my denominator, and I've got 2 and 80 in my numerator. So I can multiply 2 times 80, which is 160. And 1 times 1 is 1. So my final answer is 160. In the last example, I'm told that 5 over 6 of a number is 45. What is this number? The first thing we've got to do here is to interpret that problem as a mathematical sum. So 5 over 6 of a number, we can call the number that we don't know x, equals 45. So this part of the problem, I've translated it into a mathematical problem. So what this reads is 5/6 of a number x equals 45. So what I would do here first, like I always do, is 5 over 6 multiplied by x equals 45. I'm trying to make x the subject of the formula, so I'm going to multiply both sides times 6 to get rid of the fraction on the left hand side. So if I multiply the left hand side by 6, it gets rid of the 6 on the left hand side. So I'll have 5 times x equals 45 times 6. 45 times 6 is 270. So on the right hand side I have 270. And on the left hand side I have 5 times 6. If I divide both sides by 5 to get x on its own, then x would be equals 270 divided by 5, which gives me 54. So what that means is 5/6 of 54 is 45. We can reverse engineer it just to ensure that our answer is correct. 5 over 6 times by 54. Let's see what that gives us. 6 goes into 54 9 times. So now 5 times 9 is 45. Exactly the same as my 45 here. So which means my answer is correct.